There you go guys, lovely 55. Look at that rubbish he cunt, it's horrible. And this should pick up something. We're going to put on the squidgy. It's the only thing like that I think it works. I mean, surely. I know the double clutch doesn't seem to work as good here, like as good, but yeah. So that's why we got the squidgies, man, you know, squidgy prawns, they work well here. Who knows, I could probably pick up a perch here. Perch like to come at night, they're nocturnal, just like the dewies. Oh, there we go. There you go. That's a fish. I think he's foul hooked. What is that? That's a flatty. That's a decent size, eh? That is a decent size flathead right there, guys. Wow, she's a beauty. I'm going to try to lift her up here. I don't think we can. We're going to have to use the lip grabber. Here it is. There you go guys, lovely 55 centimetre Georges River flathead. Took the squidgy wriggler, now it's time to release her. Nice fish, can't keep her out anymore, she's ready to go. She's ready to go. Yeah, here we go, off she goes. Wow, what a fish, lovely.